The circle graph in Starlify is a perfect alternative view to the force-directed graph. The circle graph provides a structured way to observe the relations between systems. You can also add a second circle within the graph if you want to divide your systems for an even better view of the different nodes included in the graph. To create another circle configuration, right-click the canvas and select Graph Settings. Click the three-dot menu for the circle configuration and select Create New Configuration. Name your configuration. I will name this one Internal-External because in this example we want to separate the internal and external systems to different rings in the graph. Now select Add Ring under the three-point menu and submenu Rings. Here you can select between your already created custom attributes. In this example, we have already created a radio button attribute stating if a system is internal or external. Then select the value that we want to put on the new ring. In this case, external. As you can see, now the base ring contains our internal systems, and all of our external systems are on the inside.